The mysterious link between the Indian Ocean gravity hole and Lemuria. Among the many mysteries that baffle our planet Earth, two have drawn significant attention. The gravity anomaly in the Indian Ocean, often referred to as the Indian Ocean gravity hole, and the mythical continent of Lemuria. Researchers from the Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru, India, have found what they believe is a credible explanation for the gravity hole's formation. They speculated in July 2023 that plumes of magma coming from deep inside the planet, much like those that lead to the creation of volcanoes, are the cause of the gravity hole. But is this the actual explanation? The gravity hole in the Indian Ocean was discovered during the Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment mission in 2014. According to the GRACE data, this region exhibits significantly less gravitational pull compared to other parts of the planet, essentially appearing as a gravitational dimple. The leading theory attributes this anomaly to the remnant slab of the ancient Tethys ocean floor, which was thrust deep into the Earth's mantle over 50 million years ago during a geological event. This cold, dense slab pulls the surrounding mantle material downwards, decreasing the gravity on the surface above. The notion of Lemuria originated in the mid-19th century when British zoologist Philip Sclater observed similarities between lemur fossils found in Madagascar and India but not in Africa or the Middle East. To account for this, Sclater proposed the existence of a submerged land bridge, or a continent, which he named Lemuria, where these lemurs could have migrated across. Though the theory of plate tectonics later provided a more plausible explanation for the distribution of these fossils, the myth of Lemuria as an ancient, lost civilization has persisted in popular culture. According to this view, Lemuria disappeared beneath the sea 11,000 to 12,000 years ago during a global cataclysm that also caused widespread flooding. This lost land is described as having been populated by a spiritually enlightened race with advanced technology and flourishing culture. Mythical accounts tell of Lemuria suddenly sinking below the ocean due to a geological cataclysm, disappearing into the depths along with its inhabitants and leaving behind only scattered islands. The actual existence of such a lost continent remains unverified, though Lemuria still captures imagination as a fascinating vision of a sophisticated prehistoric society now buried beneath the seas. The mythical lost land continues to be a source of speculation about human origins and ancient advanced peoples predating recorded history. Some speculate that the advanced Lemurian civilization harnessed anti-gravity technology that destabilized the tectonic plates, eventually causing their continent to sink into the sea. The unusual gravitational fluctuations in the gravity hole area could be caused by remnants of Lemurian anti-gravity devices deep under the seabed. Ancient Lemurian artifacts recently discovered around the gravity hole indicate that this may have been a key location for their civilization before it was swallowed by the ocean. Legends describe Lemurians as telepathic beings. Some believe the gravity hole amplifies psychic energy, explaining why the area causes hallucinations and distortions in human perception. Given the geographical proximity of the Indian Ocean gravity hole and the supposed location of Lemuria, it is tempting to speculate a possible relationship between the two. The initial theory that can be proposed connects the sinking of Lemuria with the formation of the gravity anomaly. One could hypothesize that Lemuria was not simply a land bridge, but a landmass with significant elevations, which may have sunk under the ocean due to geological activities. The dense slab hypothesized to cause the gravity hole might have been a part of this submerged continent. The sinking of Lemuria, therefore, could have initiated a series of geological events that led to the formation of the gravity anomaly. Alternatively, one could theorize that Lemuria was the upper part of a massive mantle plume, upwelling of abnormally hot rock within the Earth's mantle. As this plume cooled and sank back into the mantle, it could have created the gravitational low point we observe today. In this theory, Lemuria's sinking is not a mere consequence but a central player in the process that led to the gravity hole. Perhaps the gravity hole offers proof that Lemuria really existed. Some have proposed that the weaker gravity is caused by a massive subterranean cavern or void left behind from Lemuria's sinking. As the landmass collapsed, it may have created an underground pocket devoid of matter large enough to impact gravity at the surface. The area of the gravity anomaly coincides with where researchers have long believed the center of Lemuria to be located. Mainstream geologists reject this radical Lemuria link to the gravity anomaly. dismissing any notion that sunken continents could account for the phenomenon. However, the connection cannot be entirely ruled out given the mystery surrounding both the gravity hole and the nature of any ancient advanced civilization that may have existed in the region. The area remains ripe for exploration, and some even believe ancient Lemurian ruins may someday be discovered deep beneath the Indian Ocean waves. Though hardly conclusive, the persistent gravity hole offers an intriguing target for research that may help solve the mystery of Lemuria once and for all. In this video, we have explored two intriguing mysteries: the Indian Ocean gravity hole and the lost continent of Lemuria. While each has its own unique characteristics and underlying theories, we have hypothesized a connection between them. Although purely speculative and requiring further scientific investigation, these theories offer an exciting perspective on Earth's dynamic geological history and invite further exploration of the mechanisms that shape our planet. The speculative idea of Lemuria's connection to the gravity anomaly shows how scientific mysteries can capture the imagination, even if evidence is limited. As researchers continue studying the Indian Ocean gravity hole, they may uncover more pieces to the puzzle that help unravel fact from fiction regarding Lemuria and other fabled lost lands. For now, the legend remains buried beneath the waves, neither conclusively proven nor disproven. The alluring gravity anomaly, however, hints that more may be hidden below the blue depths than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Connect Paranormal. This will allow us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.